Today we will balance the equation for aluminium plus hydrochloric acid. Number of aluminium in the left hand side is 1, hydrogen is also 1 and the chlorine is 1. But in the right hand side, the number of aluminium is 1, hydrogen is 2 and the chlorine is 3. Put 3 here, so the number of hydrogen increases with 3, so it becomes 6. 2 here, so the number of aluminium in the right hand side will be 2 and chlorine will be 6. So firstly we will balance the aluminium of both sides. So if we put 2 here, so the number of aluminium increases with 2, and if we put 6 here, so the number of hydrogen will be 6 and the chlorine will be also 6. The number of aluminium, hydrogen and chlorine is balanced in both sides, so this is our balanced equation. Do subscribe to my channel.